Alright boys, welcome to day 21 of Road to 100K. We just woke up, took a shower, now we're about to eat some breakfast and then hop on the charts. We had our first 200 win yesterday. Now we're going to try to go for another winning day today. But yeah, if there's a setup today, I'll take it. But if there's not, I won't. So let's stay disciplined, let's stay focused, and let's get on the charts. Alright boys, market's about to open in 1 minute. We're forming this huge 4-hour SMT right here. On MES, formed a higher high, and on MNQ we formed a lower low. So I am kind of bearish coming into the day, but we'll see. We'll let price play out. We have 10 a.m. news, so probably gonna wait till 10 to take a trade, unless I find like an A+ setup, then maybe. Alright, so if we can form internal SMT when we sweep this internal buy side, I'll enter short. It's almost a 950 macro too, so we'll see what price wants to do. Looks like we want to form SMT though, so I might get my entry. Alright, so we don't form SMT, but we do tap into that order block. If we get a 1 minute CISD here, I'll enter.
Order filled.
I entered there. We formed 1 minute SMT right here, and we're in the 950 macro. Beautiful reaction off of that. I think Top Step X automatically closes your position during news, so if this trade doesn't hit in 6 minutes, then I'm cooked, because they're all gonna automatically close my position. I might move my stops right here, because if this is an SMT, this high should be protected. So this is a really low risk trade. I'm only risking $88. So let's see how this plays out. It's a really good setup, but it's just the fact that news is in 3 minutes that price really wants to just wait for news to come out to move. So I'm probably gonna just put my stops to break even if we get into profit again, because it's literally, news is in 2 minutes. I think news might send us lower, but it doesn't even matter because I'm gonna get closed by Top Step. I might just take my break-even trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take break-even there because it's 9.59, so I was gonna get stopped out anyways. So we only made $14 on that. Yeah, Top Step would have closed out my position anyways, so I'd rather just secure a break-even trade than just get freaking the worst fill of all time by automatic close. But yeah, let's see what this 10 a.m. news wants to do. I do think it will send us lower though, but I probably won't be able to get involved. What did I say? What did I say?
The market is open.
See, it's just crazy. I knew it. I literally said news is gonna send us down to to London lows. Look what news does, sends us down to London lows. So I was correct, but it's just unfortunate that I can't trade news. Alright, we just swept internal buy side liquidity. Now I'm trying to see if we can form an SMT right here, and I might look for shorts.
Order filled.
Alright boys, I just entered short right here off of this SMT divergence. I should have entered MNQ. MES is not moving at all. GG's. I'm cooked. We just got a SMT on MES, so I kind of expected it to be the weaker pair, but never mind. Alright boys, so basically after this, my mic died, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover, but we got stopped out there. Alright, so basically here, I enter MES by accident, and I was supposed to enter MNQ, so I quickly closed the position and then enter MNQ, and I entered off of the 1 minute SMT that we just formed. So after the strong displacement, I added one more micro and I put my stops to break even. Alright, so here we hit TP1 and we take out half the position and we let the other half run to our full take profit. Alright, so here we hit full TP. As you can see, I get hype. I start thanking God. So really good trade, really good risk to reward trade. And yeah, so we ended the day off with $350. and now our account's at 557 in 2 days, so pretty good way to start off these express accounts. Alright boys, I just finished editing yesterday's video and we just uploaded it on YouTube. Alright boys, I'm going to work right now. I get out at 9 p.m. again today, so gonna be a long day, but these are what most of my days consist of. Basically just trading, getting work done, and then heading to work. So this is what most of my day is like. And then I get home, start editing the video, read the Bible, then go to sleep. So I'm in this kind of routine right now, and I feel like I'm being very productive recently. I've been getting a lot of work done, and my trading has improved. And yeah, I just hope to keep scaling this up, and hopefully we can continue to grow. Alright boys, just got out of work. It's been a long day, but my parents just texted me saying they were at this go-karting place, so I'm about to meet them there. That's gonna be fun, and yeah, I'll see you guys there.